Hi there, today I'm going to quickly show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a Canon TS7450i. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So first of all we need to go into menu by pressing OK on the front of the printer, and then estimated ink levels is the third option down. So press down twice and then OK again. Here you have a visual representation of how much ink the printer thinks is in the colour and the black cartridge. If they're looking low and need replacing, you can check the model number of all the compatible cartridges for your printer from this little menu here. If you're interested in the ink levels of the cartridges due to a print quality issue or similar that you're receiving, we have several videos on our channel for printing test pages, doing cleaning cycles, and even alignment cycles, which are likely to resolve any print quality issues. That said, if you're looking to replace the cartridges, we also have a video for that too. If you found what you're looking for here, please do drop me a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, pop it in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.